Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is a quick video on how we can bulk delete our blog posts or articles from our WordPress website. Now this is a solution that I have been looking for quite a long time now. I have been using PHP to delete the blog post, and today I have a easier and more convenient and more safer solution to this particular bulk delete of blog posts. So let us quickly see how we can do that. So just a quick update. We can also have this bulk actions option in our WordPress by default. Now in this way we can delete 20 posts at a time, but in this process it would cost us actually days to kind of delete all of this thousands of posts. So if you're having posts in thousands and you want to bulk delete it, then this video is for you. So there are two options. One is from the PHP So I'll just quickly show you how we can do it from the PHP once. So for this option, we can just land up on our database so PHP and then you can get into post. And here you can just run a quick delete option, a quick code to delete all these blog posts at a time. But in this process you might end up causing some error because of some database connection errors or database permission errors or something like that. So I would not suggest you to take that particular risk. Rather, what you can do is you can just get into you can just try to look for a particular plugin. I'll just let you know the plugin over here. So there is a plugin called bulk delete, and there is also a plugin called WP bulk delete. I've used both of them, and this seems to be a bit better in performance. So bulk delete by Sudhar, this is the plugin that I'm using right now. Now once you install this plugin, you will have something like this. So bulk delete post, bulk delete pages, users, meta fields, everything is over there. And now if I get into bulk delete post, the best part is I can delete all the published posts at a time. So over here 9400 posts are there. I can bulk delete all of these posts at a time, or I can select which post exactly to delete. So I can just select the exact post type by category. So I can delete post from a specific category on my website. I can delete post with a specific tag on my website. I can delete post by a particular taxonomy, that is the post name or the category name or the post type. So this is amazing. A lot of detailed permissions you have over here. So we can here you can use this. We can also post a list of URLs and ask this particular plugin to delete this set of URLs or this set of posts from our website. So this is a detailed filter option over there. So you can just shortlist and select the right post to delete and bulk delete all the posts. So I can just select all the blog posts over here at a time and then bulk delete. So if I want, I can also delete it directly out of the trash as well. So yes, this is how I can easily delete, or I would say bulk delete, all the posts from my website. So I hope this was helpful for you. If there are any other queries pertaining to bulk delete or any other website management, you can just drop in your comments below this video. And that's all for now. Thank you so much.